Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're planning to move your Shopify store either to another owner or organization, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transfer your Shopify store, and I'll share some tips and tricks along the way to make the process smooth and stress-free. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin and head over to the settings section. It's usually down at the bottom left corner of your dashboard, and it's your command center for all the behind-the-scenes adjustments on your store. From there, click on General. This page holds all kinds of info about your store, like your business name, contact details, and, importantly for us, transfer options. Scroll all the way down. Don't rush past anything, especially if your settings page is a bit crowded. What you're looking for is a section called Organizations and Store Transfer. This can be easy to miss if you haven't poked around this area before, but take your time and you'll spot it at the bottom. Now, click Manage. This option is specifically designed for situations like transferring a store to a new owner or between different organizations. Here's where you make your choice. Shopify gives you two main options. You can transfer your group store to another organization, like if you're restructuring your business and need to move assets, or you can transfer your store to a new owner outside your current business. If you're selling your business or simply passing things off, this is the route you'll want. Select the option that fits your needs and click Continue. If you're unsure which applies, just think about whether the new owner is inside or outside your current business structure. Take a breath here. It's an important decision, and there's no need to rush. Once you've chosen, it's time to send a store transfer invitation to the new owner. Shopify makes this simple, but offers just enough flexibility for different scenarios. You'll be asked to enter the new owner's email address. Double-check you have the correct email. Maybe even reach out to the new owner beforehand to confirm, because this is the key they'll use to access and claim the store. After typing in their email, hit Transfer. Now, something that often trips people up. When the new owner accepts the invitation and the transfer is complete, they must update the store's billing details and payment methods. This step is crucial, especially to avoid any disruptions to subscription charges, app fees, or payouts. If the transfer is between organizations, the new admins will also need to set up payment info. If you're helping someone with this, remind them gently about this step, as it's super common to forget. A quick heads up. After the transfer, you'll need to request permissions to access the store again. Don't worry if you lose your spot in the admin right away. This is just Shopify's way of making sure control passes smoothly and securely to the new owner. Once the store transfer is finalized, reach out or submit a permissions request if you need ongoing access or want to see how things are going under new management. And that's it. The entire process might take just a few minutes, but take care with each step, especially when selecting the transfer type and confirming billing information. Think of it like passing the baton in a relay race. Everything needs to line up for a smooth transition. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button down below. And if you have any questions about the transfer process or want to share your experience, drop a comment. For more Shopify tips, tricks, and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future guide. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store transfer.